What is it doing? Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Mike, Martin Lopez, Andrew, it's Aldo, Sparky, Richard, Rookie, Tookie, Trusty, TP. Good morning, good morning. What do you know? Good morning, it's the Swag Show. Welcome in. We are in the house, in the heezy for sheezy, like they say. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Same to you. I hope you have a great day as well. Hope everybody has a great day. Mm-hmm. Watching a little Santa here. MNQ gridlock in a trade. Mm-hmm. 540 on NQ gridlock right now. Good morning, good morning. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean. Welcome in. Shadow, G, Will, Edris, Delphi, X Ry, Mauricio, Elki, Carlos Reyes, Brandon. I don't know, two Brandons back to back, P2P. Welcome in. Good morning, good morning. $800 on this NQ Big Bang short. Man, oh man, where was I? Time flies when you're having fun. Hello, hello, welcome in. Good morning. How is everybody? We got three spots left. If you want access to all the algorithms for 21 days, there's only three spots left at the reduced price of $500. So if you're thinking about joining, now's the time. You get 21 days for $500, access to all the algorithms. Big Bang is in a short, it looks like, as well. Let me pull him up. Where does he go? It's in a $1,200 short here on NQ Big Bang. One of the algorithms that you will get access to. Why didn't I just leave all my accounts on him today, right? Hindsight's 2020. Tom Bascomi, welcome in. Albie, Burberry, Gopher, Mauricio, Purple Haze, P2P, CBO, Yannicksen. Came right down to that bottom of the chop zone and LIS and the 200 moving average. Good morning. My name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 for right now, Eastern Standard Time, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot. You could be a member of the BoldBot family too. All you got to do is email us, BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. 3 spots left for the first and the next, I guess, 3 people that sign up. You'll get access to all of the algorithms for 21 days for $500. So just email us. Let us know. Let us know if you want to be a part of the group. Let the algorithms do the work here. Let me go 2 for Tuesday. Let me pull up Santa on the YouTube. For anybody watching on YouTube here, he's in a long, Big Bang's in a short, fighting against each other here. Mid just got stopped out. Hilix, welcome in. Good morning. Matthew Vance, Slugger, Slug Mugger, not Ryan Reynolds. Hello. Ahmad, Thomas, Linda Lou, Veronica, Mentality, Bad Hamster, Repost. What's happening? Good morning, good morning. 10:45. Matthew, Vance, Austin, Richard, Bellavia, Chad Dickerson, Ricardo. Remember, 3 spots left, 3 spots only for the discounted once in a lifetime price of $500 for the first 21 days for all the algorithms. That's right, standard and premium. You'll get access to all of them. If you are one of the next 3 people to sign up, just email us, BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Get you access to the ones that you're looking at on the screen: Santa, Big Bang, Waves, Range, PBV, NLB, Gridlock, all the goodies. $1,200 short, $1,400 almost. I mean, guys, what are you waiting on here? Santa's green, $935 on the day. We got Range Silver in a trade, green, $800. Gridlock closed out for $155 profit. Big Bang still green, $800. And Santa's in a trade now on a long. Remember, he takes a lot of trades looking for the reversals. So don't be scared. You just got to monitor them. Make your money and stop. Move on. Be done for the day. Treat it like a job and you'll be okay. Make your 100, 200 a day. Clock out. Turn it off. Go home. Come back again tomorrow. I challenge you, Hector, Kiddo, Dave's Gal, Cato Lewis, Case Collective, Mike, welcome in, good morning. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, until your fingers turn green. Help me, help you, help others. We got 20 people, it's 10:45, and we only got 300 some likes. I don't know. It says, the likes supposedly boost the viewers. I don't want the gifts. I just want you to tap that screen. I mean, I guess the gifts bring more viewers too, but with TikTok on the verge of being shut down, I don't really want you guys to spend money sending me silly gifts. David Trevino, welcome back. Good morning. Gassan, Steve, Austin, Josh, hello, hello. This is Big Bang NQ, the NASDAQ on the futures market. If you want more information or you want to join and be one of the lucky last 3 people, just email us, BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Trash Talker, thank you for the follow. I appreciate you. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. We got a great community of people. Come join the BoldBot family. Let the algorithms work for you. I see your wins, but when was your last payout? Never. No, I'm just joking. My last payout was before my divorce. And now I am trying to build back up enough buffer to take another payout, but I am in the middle of a bankruptcy, so I cannot take a payout until that's over with. Because then they will take my money. So right now I'm not taking any payouts until that's over with, due to my divorce. So I hope that answers your question. $1,700 now on Big Bang. And not only does the bot work, but the digital mentorship works. Learning how to manually trade to make up the losses or most of the losses when the algorithm fails is a huge part of learning how to trade. Take the digital mentorship. She gave a student play this morning that ran up 100 points. 100 times 20 is $2,000 on one mini contract if you had that. Even if you had it on 2 micros, that's $400. So you should always learn your craft. The digital mentorship will pay for itself within the first month after you have learned how to manually trade. So a lot of volatility, a lot of big movement this morning. Big candle wicks. We're talking 200-point candlesticks here. Big movements this morning. Glad to be in and out, done. Gotta just be patient. Gotta wait for the right setup, or just let the algorithm do it for you. Take your profit when you're happy and be done for the day. Payne, welcome to the Swagoners. Mount up, thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Chip Barnes, welcome in. Twani, hello. There's a $1,600 short right now on Big Bang. $1,700 now. Remember, if you wanted to move your stop loss down and take profit, there's nothing wrong with doing that. This is one of the ones that you would want to do that on because it does have a big drawdown. It can give back a lot of the profits if you don't, but it will shut it off when it's supposed to. My kids are arguing this morning. I'm going to put a poll up on YouTube. I'm going to see if I can do one on TikTok as well. Let's see. Can we do a poll here? Custom. Let's make it last for, I don't know, 20 minutes. And crispy bacon. Yes. No. All right. Start. Just curious. I want to see everybody go vote. All you got to do is click on the little blue checkmark clipboard in the upper left hand side of your screen. There's a poll up. It says, do you like crispy bacon? Yes or no? That's it. I'm just curious. Just curious to see who likes crispy bacon, that's all. Go vote. Tap on the little blue check mark clipboard in the upper left-hand side of your screen with the counter counting down. Let's just have some fun today. It's a freezing cold Tuesday morning. We're just here watching this price drop and then try and find out how far it's going to go down. It did get all the way down to 20,938, I believe, is the low of the day so far. Yeah. 20,938. Low of the day. How much lower can it go? Is it going to go all the way and bounce on the pee-pee? I know the ladies like to bounce on the pee-pee. Never mind, I'm silly. Schmigs, welcome in. Cap Wheels, Carlos, Chip Barnes, Cheetah Matrix, welcome in, good morning. $1,800 on this NQ Big Bang short here. We're going to go long, we're going to go short. What are we going to do here? What's it going to do? Where's all my indicators? Where's the market structure? Where's my levels? I don't even know. Let me turn this on so I can see something else. Bang! Bada bing, bada boom, bada bing. ES new range is in a trade. Gold range is in a trade. Silver range is in a trade. Big Bang ES, Big Bang NQ. Everybody's in a trade. Making them money. We did have 2-3 losses, so that sucks on the other algorithms, but that's why you need to learn how to manually trade. If this can hold under 20,960, I will go short. We shall see. Okie dokie, let's go. Let's push down here. Nope, probably not going to happen. Well, it did happen. Go under. Keep dropping there. Keep dropping. All right, we got a little more. Got a little more on that short there. Hey there. Good morning, Michael. Hello. Hello, hello. Welcome in. Good morning. Some losses on the algorithms, but the student play was the play of the day. She gave a 100-point student play this morning. 100-point student play times $20 is $2,000. And if you're running this Big Bang NQ, one of the premium algorithms, that's a $2,000 winner right there. You could be up $4,000 on the day if you ran one mini contract. You got Silver Range. I think it's a no play on, what's today? Tuesday? Yeah, it's probably a no play, but it's green $875. Big Bang ES is green $462. Range ES new range is green $150. NQ early was 1 for 1. New lost, mid NQ mid lost, NQ high 5 lost. But all the other ones are winning. Let's see, where's later? Yeah, later might jump in here. Later might be able to take this trade. How far down is it going to go? Will it go all the way and bounce on the PP? Looks like it. Should we take another short here? Might as well. Might as well. What the hell, right? Well, that was a quick one. Quick wick drop. All right, whatever. I got it. Got that little short. Come on, later. You were 2 ticks away from making profit there. You're literally like 2 ticks away. That's so frustrating. 2019, 20,915.25. Well, it was farther than that, I guess. It was like 4 points away, but still. Up 250 for the live account. There you go. Shut it down. 2,400 on this drop on Big Bang. I caught a lot of that short right there. I was just... it's moving. It's moving and grooving right now. Like, a lot of action. 250 a day is 5,000 a month, so that's nothing to sneeze at. That's a good target to hit. Now let's hit this NQ later target for everybody that's in NQ later. Go all the way down and bounce off that PP if you want to. Come on. Almost there. 6 points. 6 points away on NQ later. We need it to drop. 2,500. There it is. Target filled on NQ later. Target filled on NQ later. Let's put the bacon up in the chat. It's just selling off here. It is really selling off. Went right through the PP. And right below 20,900. I can't take a short now. It's too far down now. Maybe not, though. Maybe it's not too far down. Let me look at this. No. It can go all the way back down here, I guess. Although the consolidation area from yesterday is coming into play right around here, so be careful. This is where it consolidated a bunch yesterday from 20,895 all the way down to 20,854, so it's right back in this range that it was in from yesterday, so be careful. We'll see what happens here. But I'm done. I'm not going to trade anymore today. We're just going to let the algorithms do their thing. Coach King, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Marcus Rupal, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Diamond AK47, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you guys for the follow. Follow me, follow me. No accounts. What do you mean, no accounts? I paid for it. It should be ready. Hey, no problem. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. What do you know? I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm in the futures market. And if you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. We got 3 spots left to get access to all the algorithms for the first 21 days. It's only $500. It's a once-in-a-lifetime sale. Take advantage of it if you're thinking about joining right now. And it's for new members only. Hey, Andrew, good morning. $3,000 on this 1NQ Big Bang short, which is one of the premium algorithms. It's normally $1,500 a month that you can get right now for $500 if you're one of the next 3 people to sign up. We got range silver green 900. We got ES new range green 775. Big Bang NQ short 2800. And ES Big Bang is also short green 1100. That's for $4,000 that were green on those 2 alone. So see if it pulls back and uses the PP as resistance now at 20,009. What is that? 907. Yeah. All right, it broke back above it there a little bit. We'll see what happens. It was a big move down. Santa's going to try and hop in the long hair, but I don't think it's going to work out for him. It might. Trin Win, welcome in. Ross Cause for Creations, Temp Knight, Rodolph, Isa Austin, what? Low Kit, I don't know. Alex Gutierrez, welcome in. What time frame you on? This one, I think, I'm on all types of time frames. The algorithms are on all different types of time frames. It depends on what strategy. I think this one's 5-minute or something. I don't remember. That's all given to you when you join the group, though. I like using 15-minute, the 5-minute, the 1-minute, the 500 tick. I look at all that stuff when I manually trade. But the algorithms are on different time frames based on whatever strategy you're on at the time. So I could put it on any type of chart and show you, so it doesn't matter. But Carlos, Sean, welcome in. Good morning. Good morning. It's time to rise and shine. What's going on with my... What's going on with this? I did reset it. Is this a set it and forget it? On most of them, yeah. There are some of the algorithms that you would want to manually move the stop loss to lock in more profit, in my opinion, unless you had a huge buffer and could deal with the drawdown. The one I'm showing you right now is one of those that I'm talking about. So it's green. It was green 3,000 some dollars, and you could just let it go, but it could pull back and take away over $1,000 worth of profit if it determined that that's when it wanted to get out of the trade. So I'd say 85% of the algorithms are you just set it and forget it, leave it alone. About 15% you would want to manually trail the stop loss and lock in as much profit as possible, but you wouldn't necessarily have to, if you understand what I mean. It all depends, I guess, on your account size and your buffer, especially if you're using prop firms as opposed to a cash account. But yeah, on a cash account, you wouldn't really have to worry about it. You would want as much profit as possible, though. But we're still in this short. Santa just scalped along for $75. $75 at a time. He's green 415 on the day. This big bang trade's still valid, green 2,600. But like I said, it was green over 3,000 at the high water mark. So you just gotta know when to get out. Set your goals and swag, which is stop when you're at your goal and just be done for the day. Let's say hello to people. Angelina, welcome in. Michael M, Maxim, Burberry, Richie, J, Javier, Jarvis Jackson, sorry about that. Calvin Dodson, Ethan, Two Dutch Owner, Add Me for No Reason, Will Tawil, Neighbor Robert, welcome in, good morning. How's everybody doing on this terrific Taco 2-for-1 Tuesday? I hope you're having a fantastic morning, afternoon, week so far. Happy New Year. Let's make this money. Slow and steady wins the race. These are the days right here that you sit back and you dream of, and you wait and you hope that it goes on a big run, and you hope that you're in it. I was actually going to be in this trade on one of my accounts, but I took that manual trade this morning from the student section and made $1,500 already off of that alone on some of my accounts, and I was done for the day, so I shut it off, and this could have just added to that. But that's okay, no FOMO, not going to get mad. I'm happy with what I made. You just got to be happy with what the market gives you, Jay Baby, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. PM Gopher, welcome in. Good morning. Keep tapping that screen, guys. It's real easy. You just take your finger and you tap your little phone screen as many times as you possibly can until it hurts. But trust me, your girlfriend or your wife will love you for it later. That's a little humor. Just a little humor. A little sick and twisted, perverted joke. Don't get upset. Vote for Pedro. Welcome in. Good morning. Hello. Mustafa. Welcome in. The Lion King. Poll results. 50-50. I guess. Let's take a look. It just ended in a tie. I guess people are split decision on if they want to. Well, only 2 people voted, so that's not really a good. That's not really enough people to get a grasp on if people really like it. But crispy bacon or chewy, I guess that's the 2 options you have. I like mine medium well on my bacon. Little bit of crunch to it, but not too over crunchy. You know, that's my. Let's see, is it going to hold below this 20,900 level, or is that all she wrote on the downward play here? We'll see. It's freezing in my house. I'm too cheap to turn the heat on. Or up, anyway. It's on, but it's not turned up. How you do today, Swag? Good. I caught the student play. Caught the student play and ran it up and then shut everything else off. Just have 2 pairs of socks. Yeah. I've got my thickest socks and my feet are still cold. But like I said, I usually just keep it at like 66 during the day. Otherwise, it seems like it's running all day long. I don't know if I turn it up any higher. Because, you know, it's a blistering like 15 degrees outside, so. What is the student play? That's what you get access to if you sign up for the digital mentorship, which is where Lauren teaches you how to manually trade. You get access to the student play of the day, the morning Zoom call, the proprietary chop zone, the manual alerts, and some other levels and stuff like that that she teaches you and gives out to her student each morning. And it ran up 100 points today off of her student play. So I got most of that. I didn't get all of it, but I got enough for me, and I was done for the day. And right now, that's on sale for $1,000 for the digital mentorship. It's normally $1,500. So if you want to learn how to manually trade, now's the time to take advantage of it. Also, there's only 3 spots left for the reduced price of $500 for the first 21 days for all the algorithms. You get access to all of them for the first 21 days for just $500 for the next 3 people that sign up. So I did good on all of my evals today. I don't know what's going on with my take profit, where it went, but it was on there and now it's not on there. I disconnected and it won't come back on, so who knows. Hey, BMW, welcome in. Good morning. I am going to be doing another giveaway here before the end of the month. One lucky winner will receive 1 free month of the standard algorithms, but we got 3 spots left to take advantage of the $500 discount for the first 21 days for all the algorithms. So if you're interested, now is the time. Good morning, Saturn, Ace Aguila, Marcus the Millionaire, Henry Carter, Ishmael, welcome in. Good morning. It's for new members only. Hey, no problem. That's what I'm here for, to answer your questions. Please feel free. How much for the Discord? We don't have a Discord. We have a Slack group, a Slack channel. And it's free once you join the BoldBot family. You get access to that once you join the group. So right now, it would be $500 for the first 21 days, but you would get access to all of the algorithms. If you were one of the first 3 people, there's only 3 spots left, and then it goes back up. back to 2,800 on this NQ Big Bang short. We'll see if it can continue to move down. Javier Trading, welcome in. Good morning. How are you today, my friend? Remember, if you're on YouTube, click the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Tell a friend. You can vote on the poll. I'm going to end it. Nobody's voting on the bacon, so we're going to end that poll. That's okay. Nobody voted. I don't know. Marcus I don't know. Marcus, I'm just going to say Marcus. Welcome in. Good morning. Taco Terrific Tuesday. How's everybody doing? Good morning, good morning, good afternoon almost. Wherever you're at on planet Earth, hello. Let's see. What is this one? Well, it shows that it's on there, so I don't know what's going on. Gotta love it. Consolidating. Yeah, it's going to break one way or another usually after this. It is 11:30, so that's normal about this time. It seems like it always does it right about this time, in between 11 and 12. It'll form some type of consolidation usually. Just look back in the last few days and tell me if I'm wrong. Bushi, Low Cap Shields, David, Angelo, Buns, welcome in. Bobby Stick, Ryan, welcome to the Swagonators. Mount Up, Alejandro Guerrero, welcome in. Good morning, good morning. Calvin Dotson. How's everybody doing? Are you freezing, or do you live someplace warm? I am freezing. I'm freezing over here. Freezing my buns off. All right, there it is. Now we got it up. All right, I'm going to shut these down. I'm going to shut all those off, and I'm going to activate that. And we're going to try and let it do its thing. What happened with later? Did later hit its target? Yes, later hit its target. Okay. So later hit its target, 1 for 1, $500 on one mini contract. So we'll see what happens here. What is going on with that? I don't know. Let me turn my lines back on here so I can know what the hell's going on. All right. What do we got here? We got nobody tapping a screen. I need you to tap that screen, Jelly Bean, if you know what I mean, till your fingers turn green. Help me help you help others. $2,400 on this NQ Big Bang short still. Looks like 25 minutes of consolidation right now. Nobody likes it when it just sits here and consolidates sideways. It makes it almost impossible to trade. So we might have to wait to find a better spot here in a minute. If you can see those bars, it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes of consolidation in between a 20,900 and 20,940, 30 level. So we'll see. Here's another 5-minute open candle. We'll see what happens. It's 11:25 a.m. Good morning. Good morning. It is January 14th, 2025. Oh my goodness, we're flying through the month already. Almost halfway through the first month of the new year. Do you believe it? Time flies when you're having fun. It flies when you're not having fun, I guess. You never know. Patrick, good morning. Regular investor, good morning. Dan the man, hello, hello. Welcome in, good morning. 3 spots left. Sign up now. Take advantage. $500 for the first 21 days for the next 3 members for all the algorithms. Otherwise, you're going to be paying normal prices once those spots get filled up. You could have had access to this algorithm, Big Bang, it was as high as $3,000. It will stop out when it's supposed to, guys. Don't worry about it, but just letting you know, it was as green as $3,000 at the high water mark. So we're almost $1,000 from the high water mark, and we'll see. It's probably going to close itself out here if it keeps going up. Santa got stopped out. It would have still been in this nice long here. Bounced on the PP, like I said. If you know what that is, it bounced right off that PP. Oh, you want a manual so bad? You better shut it off and go away, Burberry. Be happy with your 250. Don't risk the biscuit. Swag. This replay? No, sir. This is live futures market trading on the NASDAQ. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Standard Time, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm on the futures market. Do you use any bot? Yes, I do, Spooky Man. I just told you. BoldBot. If you first, next 3 people that sign up will get access to all the algorithms for $500 for the first 21 days. It's NASDAQ. I thought it was NASDAQ. Forget about it, Alberto. You don't know what you're talking about. Just joking. Munoz, welcome in. Burberry, don't get tempted. Don't have FOMO. You better stop when you're at your goal. That's what the swag's all about. Treat it like a normal job. Come back tomorrow. Is it a buy now? I don't know. It's still in a short on Big Bang. Once Big Bang closes out the trade, then it might think that it'd be a buy, but you could have bought it down here at 20,914. You could have been in a nice long from 914. Or you could have had it once it broke this at 926 and been up 20 points. There you go. Switch it over. What is the cost after 21 days? So the standard algorithms go up to $1,000 after the first 21 days, and the premium go up to $1,500. For a month. It's per month after the first 21 days. Well, see that? Look at that. It was just a fake out pullback, and then look at that. They just sold it all the way back down. They just sold it all the way back off. That was a fake out. They brought it all the way back up to one of the levels that you learn about in the digital mentorship and in the student call. They brought it right back to that level, which is the bottom of the chop zone. And now they sold it all the way back down to the PP. What is the winning rate for monthly? Every algorithm is different. So it's hard to tell you. It depends on which algorithm you're asking about. Manual 300. Okay, now are you happy? Can you be done for the day? $300 a day is $6,000 a month. Just keep that in mind. Stop it. Don't risk the profits. All right, what is it? 11:30 candle. All right, 11:30 candle. That was the pullback. This could be a fake out to open, and then it just continued down here. Premium's 1,500. But like I said, there's 30 different strategies inside of premium. Some of them are as high as like 80%. Others are as low as like 60% win rate, but they're profitable overall, if that makes sense. So just because it has a lower win rate percentage doesn't mean that it's not profitable in the long run. Too many people get hung up on that. All right, that sounds good, Burberry. I'll talk at you later. You can stay on the live. Just shut your computer down so you don't trade anymore. Be happy with your wins, guys. You got to be happy. Francisco, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Pat Ojo Fit, welcome in. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Mi el español poquito. I know all the bad words. You're from Brazil? All right. We have somebody in the group that was from Brazil. I think he lived in Brazil. Yeah, he lived in Brazil in one of the cities, not Rio de Janeiro, but one of the other cities that's like in the middle of the Amazon, I guess. Brazil is Portuguese. Oh, sorry about that. I forgot that's different than Spanish. There's a lot of people that speak English in Brazil, though, right? I think he said he lived in a city that started with an M. It's like in the middle of the Amazon rainforest. But I don't know. I can't remember where he said he was. But welcome in. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Whatever time it is over there. Down there. All right. We do have our top take profit account that I could take a trade on here. I'm just waiting to see if I get into a good spot. Still right back to consolidating there. They wanted to fake us out with that big move up. The buyers tried to step in and sweep the shorts out. And now we'll see if we move back down here. Yes, the digital mentorship right now is on sale for $1,000. That's a one-time fee. You get access to the student group, the morning Zoom call, the student play of the day, the proprietary chop zone, the manual alerts, and a couple other goodies. So if you're interested in learning how to manually trade and join the digital mentorship, just email us, BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. It's on sale right now for the new year for $1,000. You can make that back literally in a week. The student play today was 100-point long given to the students at 9:15 this morning. It was to take the long at 21,040, I think. And it ran all the way up to 21,125. So it was like 100-point long she gave out. That would be $2,000 for anybody that wants to do the math. It's $20 per point on one mini contract. 100 points is $2,000. So could have paid for it in one day if you had it on minis. Still consolidating here. What is that? A bearish flag, maybe on a 5-minute chart? Is that what that looks like? Bearish flag. Looks like it's supposed to keep going down here. I don't know what's holding it up. Maybe the volume's just not there right now. Should drop here. Based on my technical analysis and everything that I'm seeing, it should drop here. Come on, there you go. Get on down. Should drop here. How long is the sell for the mentorship lasting? I don't know, honestly. Might go till the end of the month. There's the drop. Come on down here. There you go, sweetheart. Come on down. Come say hi to Daddy. Get on down here. I'm in a manual if you can't tell. The bearish flag played out. I'm in a manual. This is a big drop. Big drop here for your boy at the swag show. I only took one mini contract on this take profit eval, but you know, it's whatever it is. It is what it is. It's a $500 short almost. All right, what did we get? 320 out of it. We got 320 bucks out of that drop right there. If you would have been listening and paying attention, I pretty much just gave you a short play. You could have looked at it and drawn it out. Okay, from the bottom of this wick up to the bottom of this wick. If once it broke this red line at 20,922, you could have taken a short like I did, and you would have been green like 300 bucks on one mini contract. So that's the power of the digital mentorship right there, coming into play live on air, showing you what you can learn, how to recognize patterns, and how to make your profit for the day just off of one trade. Is that copy trading or one account? That trade right there I just had on one account. I'm done with the rest of my accounts. So, oh, you're talking about this $3,000 trade? That's on one eval account right now. On a $250,000 eval. Yeah, I wish I had. I wish I had it copied across all my accounts, right? $500 for the first 21 days. For the next 3 people, you get access to all the algorithms. Otherwise, it's still $500 for the first 21 days for the standard algorithms, $1,500 a month for the premium. The digital mentorship is $1,000 right now. Take advantage of it. It's not going to last long. But email us and let us know you want to get access to whatever you want before somebody else does. And then you're going to be crying. It's too, I can't, I missed it. Never be afraid to invest in yourself, guys. Never be afraid to invest in yourself. It's the best investment you can make, is to invest in yourself and learn something new. All right, we're all the way down below the PP now, holding below it. Made almost a new low here. Right there, we just made the new low, and now it's going to drop like a battleship hit by a ballistic missile. How low can we go? We can go low. Let me show you. Could probably come all the way down to this next area of interest, which is right around 20,850. That was a area of consolidation yesterday. We'll see if it has trouble getting through that again today, and then it just gets real messy from the area from yesterday. From 20,850 all the way to 20,715 is just a real nasty area from yesterday. So don't get caught in that nonsense. I don't recommend anymore unless you're experienced and know what you're doing. It could get crazy here. It's right at the top of that range from yesterday. So it's going to have a hard time getting any lower, in my opinion, than 20,850. So just be careful if you're still manually trading, unless you know something I don't know. Maybe you know more than I do. What time is it? 11:42. We got 3 minutes till the 11:45 candle opens on the 15-minute chart. So we'll take a look to see if this is going to reverse right around here. Oh, man. My itch. My itches. I don't have my Gatorade. I don't have my water. I'm just running it here bare naked. Bare naked thirsty. We're still dropping here, just not by as much as we were. Santa is sleeping. I guess he's going to go into hibernation. He does have a little bit left before he goes on lunch break, so we'll see if he gets into another trade here. But $3,800 now on this NQ Big Bang short. You think it's going to go any lower? It's going to have a hard time. If you look to the left on a 15-minute chart, this area from yesterday is just really, really messy, really nasty. This could become like It could go all the way maybe to like 829, 830, but then it has to get through all that nastiness from yesterday. So I wouldn't get in short anymore, but that's just me. I don't know. Some people might think it could continue down. I think it's probably petered out, but you never know. I might be completely wrong. I just think it's going to have a hard time getting any lower than like 830. Just based off of what, if you look to the left from yesterday on a 15-minute chart and you see how nasty it was around this area, that's why. So, what is your take profit here? Whatever the algorithm decides to take me out of it. 4K across 20 accounts? No, I wish. I did not have this across all my accounts today. It's only on one 250K eval account, unfortunately. But I have to diversify my risk. I can, some days this can take, $1,500, $2,000 loss. Other days it can win 8, 10,000. So I was willing to risk turning it on today on one of my bigger account sizes and hope that it would move big, and it did. So I'm halfway to passing a 250K right now because of it. But the algorithm will shut me out of the trade when it feels like it's no longer valid to be in a short, I guess, if that makes sense. So if I wanted to move my stop loss, though, closer, I could definitely click on it and drag it and move it down here or wherever I felt comfortable moving it. But the algorithm will take me out of it once it feels like it's supposed to. So, but no take profit. It can run and run and run. I've seen it run over $8,000 on one trade before using this algorithm. So, if you're new here, my name is Kyle. This is The Swag Show. What do you know? I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm on the futures market. If you want more information or you want to be the next 3 people to sign up, you'll get access for 21 days for $500. You'll get access to all the algorithms. Otherwise, after that, it's $1,000 a month for the standard, $1,500 a month for the premium. We also have the digital mentorship on sale for $1,000 right now. Get you access to the student group, the student play of the day, the proprietary chop zone, the morning Zoom call, the manual alerts, some other key levels and indicators. And that's on sale right now for $1,000. So are you related to Dave Ramsey? No. I wish. Maybe he'd loan me some money. Maybe he could loan me some money and I wouldn't have to file bankruptcy, right? And if you're wondering why I have to file bankruptcy, if you're new to the show, I recently went through a divorce and lost a lot of money. Dustin, welcome in. Good morning. 11:50 now. AM on January 14th, 2025. Thank you for being here so much. Keep tapping that screen. Don't get married. Yeah. That's the key right there. Not going to do it again, that's for sure. The next time it would have to be like she would have to be a multimillionaire. I would marry her then without a prenup and get half. I don't know. I'm just saying. I would have to really be in love, like with all my heart, soul, to get married again. But the next girl's just going to have to be okay with being friends and being in a relationship without the paperwork of being married. But do you use the Fibonacci? Yes. I do look at the Fibonacci based on certain things. It all depends on where you put it, where, what range you're looking at. You can look at it from like a daily move. If you want to do it that way, you can look at it from like a 4-hour move. All types of stuff. But yeah, I do use the Fibonacci. Santa's in along here over on YouTube. He's a reverse scalper algorithm looking for the reversal. He's in along here at 20,859, but that's a hard level to get back up and over. So it's just kind of stuck in this range, consolidating again, trying to make up its mind if it's going to go back up or continue to move down here. What's the name gain? I don't understand. What do you mean by that, Casey? What's the name gain? I'm confused. I don't understand. Ahmad, thank you for the share. I appreciate you being here. Keep tapping that screen. We got about 45 minutes left of the show here. 35 minutes, whatever. Get out of here when I want to. I do what I want. No, kitty, that's my chicken pie pie. Mauricio, thank you for the gift. I don't know what it was, but you don't have to do that. Just keep tapping the screen. I appreciate it. I don't know what the TikTok stuff's all about. Daily rankings, leagues. You got people just sending these people all these gifts nonstop throughout their whole stream. I don't understand it. I'm not asking for any of that. Although it would probably get me more viewers. But, I don't want you guys to waste your money sending those little gifts to me. I don't know how much they cost, but I know how much I get from them, and to me, it's not worth you spending the money. I would literally have to get like 1,000 gifts a stream for me to make any type of significant money. Unless they're the big ones, I guess, that cost more money, but don't worry about it. $3,600 still on this short, as high as $4,000 on Big Bang Short. Will Trades, welcome in. Good morning. Breadwinner hooked up. 270. Hello, hello. What do you know? 3,800 now. Still in this valid short here. It's trying to make up its mind. We'll wait until the 12 o'clock candle to see what's going to happen in 7 minutes. ES new range is green 1400. Range gold's green 300. Silver range is green 725. So that's what's that? That's 1,000, 2,000. That's like $2,400 off the standard algorithms right now, if you ran it on one mini contract. Yeah, that would have been $2,400 if you ran the standard algorithms on one mini contract right now on 3 of the strategies. Could have just stopped out at any point and taken profit and been done for the day. XORD, welcome to the Swagonators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. Fifong Wong, welcome in. S.A. King, the Noob Printer, welcome in. Good morning. Hello. What do you know? 3,800 back to 3,800 on this short. All right. What a day, huh? What a day, guys. What a day, huh? It's 2-for-1 Taco Tuesday. I think I'm going to eat some taquitos for lunch in the air fryer. They're delicious. Put some cheese, sour cream, and hot sauce on them. Yum, 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 yum. Anybody else like taquitos in the air fryer, or is it just me, a grown man, that likes frozen food in the air fryer? Don't judge me. I don't know what else to cook. Yeah, I think some taquitos in the air fryer with some shredded cheese, some sour cream, and some hot sauce will hit the spot for lunch today. Coming up in about 25 minutes or so. We'll see how long this NQ Big Bang wants to stay in this trade, though. Looks like I said, for the past 15 minutes, it's just been consolidating here. You air fry everything? Yeah, I mean, people don't realize you can cook just about anything in the air fryer. Even a steak. You can cook a good ribeye steak in the air fryer. People don't realize. Fried chicken wings, you could do chicken wings in the air fryer. I've done that. They turned out delicious. You just got to get the coating right. You got to do the flour, the egg wash, and then, your breadcrumbs or whatever else. The only thing that you can't cook in the air fryer is eggs. So far that I've learned, you can't cook eggs in the air fryer, but you can hard boil them. Eat some hard boiled eggs, or make scrambled eggs, or sunny side up, or over easy, or however you want. There it is. Finally broke the consolidation, and it's just going to drop even farther here. I told you it's going to be hard to get through these 30s, so if it does get through these 30s, you got to look left and see where the next area of contention would be from yesterday, which is going to be right here at the top of 815 ish, 820. This is the next area of contention from yesterday. We'll see if it can break below these 20s. If it breaks below these 20s, then it would have to get all the way down below 20,700. But heck, this thing might just keep selling off. Who knows? Sellers are in control, obviously. I'm not taking any more trades, though. No more FOMO. No more FOMO. Not going to risk it. It's just selling off, selling off, selling off. Put tinfoil down and you can make eggs in there. I do that too. Oh, really? You mean just like cook it? Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, just put the egg on the tinfoil? Like scrambled or sunny side up? Or you mean like the whole raw egg? Or what do you do? Do you crack the egg and then put it on the tinfoil? Or do you just put the whole egg in there? Sunny side up? Oh, okay. I'll have to try that out. I have to try that out. Make it in a bowl formation. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. Yeah, it dropped down to the top of the range from yesterday, though. 20,820 is the top of that consolidation range from yesterday, so it's going to have a hard time getting through this, in my opinion. Otherwise, it could go all the way down to 20,700. There's the noon candle. Here comes my TikTok alert for inactivity that I got to solve a puzzle any minute now. If it wants to keep dropping, it's just going to drop. That's for sure. No FOMO. I could take this short on my eval again, but man, it's just so far away from anything. It's just dropping. I don't even know. This is where I get scared that it's just going to hit a reversal on me. So I got to look left and see what could cause it to reverse. And when I do that, it's right at the top of this consolidation range from yesterday. So I do not want to take a short here. Because if you look left on a 15-minute chart from yesterday, this is right at the consolidation level, the top of these wicks. It's a very strong level right here at around 810, 812. If it can break below 800, though, who knows how far down it can go. If it breaks below 800, it could just keep dropping, guys. I'm just saying. I don't know how far. Maybe all the way to 700. Big Bang NQ still in this trade, $4,500. New high watermark, 4,500 on this NQ Big Bang drop. ES Big Bang is in a $2,100 short. We got range, ES new range in an $1,800 short. We got gold in a gold's in a short. Silver's in a short. Gas is on Oracle. That's old. That's not valid anymore, but it's in a short. Everything's in a short green. Lots of money here. $4,400. D-Cur 5. Do you do bacon on tinfoil in the air fryer as well, or do you just put the bacon on the rack in there? I asked earlier if people like their bacon crispy or chewy, and nobody voted. Just me and one other person. So I didn't get enough votes to understand what people liked. Sayad, welcome in. Good morning. Welcome back. Good afternoon now. It is afternoon. 12:02. We're $4,600 as the high water mark. There it is, $4,615. $640 I saw. What a drop, guys. What a drop. Can you imagine if you would have just held on to this like Big Bang on a manual trade? It would have been tough, right? Would have been tough. Sprinkle a little brown sugar on the bacon. Put it in the air fryer. Yum, 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 yum. I am down today. Oh, man, I'm sorry to hear that. Abe, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. I gave the play earlier. You could have been on here. Yeah, Sayad, man, look at this. You could have jumped in this Big Bang trade. $4,600 on this short. We're going to see how long this can continue to go down. Might just leave the stream up until I have a Zoom call that I got to get on. Let's see. What time did he want to meet? Okay. 1:30 Eastern. Watched it go from 800 to 4,400. Should have got in. I know, but no FOMO, right? Who knows? Nobody knows. There's the puzzle they want me to solve. There's TikTok's puzzle they want me to solve. It's a little late. but it's always on. It always comes. All right, solve your little silly puzzle. Should have gotten in it. Yes, I know, but where? Where would you have gotten in it at? Like I said, it's going to have a hard time getting through these 820s. If you look to the left on a 15-minute chart and look at what happened yesterday, this is the area where it had the top of the consolidation. So, a little bit above that. Let's see. 21041.5. That's where it got in the short. 21041.5 is where it got into the short at. And it was as high as $4,400 in this trade. So, yeah, you could have had $4,400 at the high water mark. But it might not be done yet. But like I said, it's going to have a hard time getting through this 20,820 level. So, I would not be looking to take a short here. Oh, man, oh, man. It is 12:08. Thank you guys for being here so much. I appreciate it. Remember, the next 3 people, there's only 3 spots left. If you want access to all the algorithms for 21 days, it's only $500. Just email us. BoldBotLLC at gmail.com. Shane, what's up? Good morning. How the heck have you been? Where you been? I know you haven't been freezing. I have been. One question, sir. Once you set up bot, will it take position for you? Yes, you just have to enable it each night before you go to bed, or it won't take any trades if you don't turn it on. So, chilling, waiting for plan. I can't read. I understand that. Sometimes you got to take a break. I might have to take one here at the end of the month too. You never know. We might need to talk. Shoot me a message on TikTok. Oh, $3,600 now on this Big Bang NQ drop. 3,700. It was as high as 4,400. So my nose is cold. I'm freezing cold. Still doing micros, making about 1,000 a day, slow and steady. There you go. There you go, man. That's what it's all about. Slow and steady. Like I said, I thought it was going to have trouble getting through this 820, and it's bounced off of there and kind of been going up from there. We'll see if that was all she was going to give on the shorts. From your bio, which one I need to choose, sir? I need to help set up. Yeah, just email us, Sayad, BoldBotLLC at gmail.com, and tell them you want the $500 for the first 21 days for all the algorithms. Yeah, that's only $50. You only need to make $50. $50 an account times 20 is $1,000, right? Easy peasy, slow and steady. I don't know why sometimes I don't listen to my own words. I get frustrated when I take a loss, and I just sometimes revenge trade and keep trading instead of stopping. I don't know. Mental aspects of it. Sometimes you just get in your own head. Not okay taking a loss and getting up and walking away. Decal, welcome to the Swaginators Mount Up. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Let's see, what time did it start? It started consolidating there back at 11:22 like normal for 15 minutes. 11 o'clock really. And then it had a drop. Then it consolidated. Then it dropped. Now it's moving back up. We shall see what happens here. Got about 10 minutes left of the stream for the day. I will be back tomorrow. Same bat time, same bat channel, so make sure you follow me, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern time, Monday through Friday. Make sure you turn on bell notifications on TikTok. I don't know what you're supposed to do. Just be here. Be here and hang out, socialize. We could talk about food, air fryers, football, whatever you want. See how far down this is going to go. 12:15 candle opens. We'll see if this is that last candle was just a pullback or what? Sounds good. Sounds good, Sayad. I thought you got frozen in the tundra down there, Shane. In that freezing cold 60-degree weather that you had. We got about 10 inches of snow here over the past 2 weeks, so it's been cold. It's feels like 8 degrees out today. I'm sick of living in this freezing cold state in the wintertime. Well, this could be the reversal. This could be a pencil top here. An inverse pencil top. This next candle that it's in right now could literally shoot all the way back up to the PP. If it wants to fill this gap here all the way back up to 20,900, it will. Could definitely do that from the looks of it. Could run all the way back up here to 20,900. It'll take profit for me. It'll shut it out. It'll shut it off when it's supposed to. I'm just letting the algorithm go, showing you guys what it will do for you without touching it. It's just on an eval account, so I'm not too worried about it. If it was on a live account, yeah, I already would have taken profit because I would have moved my stop loss to right here, right above those wicks, and when it broke those wicks, I would have been stopped out. So, but since it's an eval account that it's running on, I don't care. I'm just going to show you guys what it does. This is Big Bang NQ, one of the premium algorithms that's normally $1,500 a month. Right now, $500 for the first 21 days for all the algorithms for the next 3 people that sign up. $1,000 for the digital mentorship if you want to learn how to manually trade. It's totally worth it to learn how to manually trade, make $100 a day per account, $50 a day per account. It all adds up. You can run it on micros, go low and steady, and in 3 months you'll be able to start withdrawing and seeing results. You'll be okay. Wow, this thing is not wanting to make up its mind here. Volume's way down. Still away at lunch, I guess. They just went to lunch at 12, most of them, so might consolidate here for the next hour within this 30 or 40 point range, so be careful. Lunchtime, consolidation time. We'll see if this wants to continue to go back down after lunch here. AIZ, welcome in. Good morning. Good afternoon. How are you? Back to 4,100 in the profits here. Welcome to the Swagonators, AIZ. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. I will be back tomorrow, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern time, guys. I'll let this run out for you, though. I won't close it down. We'll see what happens. Pretty good, man, in a short position as well on my 50K eval. There you go. This is on a 250K eval. This trade right here. Only on one of my accounts, one of the 250K accounts. Trying to pass it here, hopefully by the end of the week, but gotta get lucky. Gotta get some big trades like this in there. I think it's a $15,000 profit that I have to hit on it, so we're about halfway there. Just got to go slow and steady. Too many times where I've had PAs and $2,500 in the green on all my PAs, and then I just have one bad day and blow them all. I've learned that lesson too many times. If I take 2 losses, I just got to be done for the day from now on. Do it on micros. Once you get to the PA stage, slow and steady will win the race. But congratulations on trying to pass that 50K eval. Let's hope you do it here. What's your take profit at? Do you have a take profit on it, on the trade you're in? Do you have your stop loss into profit now? At 20,860. When it will sail it, when it will close the trade, whenever it thinks that it's done going down. It'll get out of the trade when it feels like the trade is no longer valid. Right now, it's still making lower lows and lower highs, so it knows what it's doing. We might stay on here a little bit longer. We'll see where this trade wants to close out at. Hang out with you guys. I'm going to go probably warm up the air fryer, though. Like I said, that 20,820 level is a hard level for it to get through. If you look to the left from yesterday, that's the top of that range consolidation area that it was at. So just be careful if you're still manually trading here. Going to be hard for it to get through. yeah, it's still in a short, so it won't close out of the trade until it feels like the short is no longer valid. Then it'll close it out. But until the algorithm feels like the trade is no longer valid, it's gonna keep us in this trade. So, Fat Thor, welcome in. Good morning. Big money today, yeah. On this NQ Big Bang trade, high water mark was $4,400 on this short. So we're about 500 off of that high water mark, but we're going to see if this is going to continue to go down or if this is all she wrote and it's going to go back up and close us out of the trade. Normally I'd be getting off right about now, but I'm going to stay on for you guys and let you watch it and see what happens here. If you want to stay here with me, I will stay here with you until I have a Zoom call. So let's see. Still right around 12:30, so they're still at lunch. So usually after lunch, around 1 o'clock is when they come back and the big boys, that is, and it starts to move again. But it's kind of just been consolidating here for the lunch hour, like expected. Let's see, drawing tools. Let's see. Let me see if I can just draw a line from here to here. And from here to here. See that flag pattern? So once it broke under here is where I gave my short. 21,900-ish. That's called a bear flag. It's been a big move down, then consolidation. Looks like it's trying to move up, but I took the short. I told you to take the short, 20,900. That's when I took the short, and then I ran it all the way down to here. So about a 20-point move. Quick 360 bucks. Funny question, but could you live off of BoldBot? Yeah, if you had enough accounts. I mean, just look at it this way, BMW. If you had 20 funded accounts, right, and you just made 100 to 200 a day times 20, right? That's either 2,000 or 4,000 a day. After you build up like 4 or 5,000 worth of buffer in each one of those accounts, and you start withdrawing from each one $500 every 8 days or whatever it is, then yeah, you could definitely live off of it. You just have to go slow and steady and realize that it's a long-term investment that takes like 3 months to start getting paid out from. But after that, it's just, yeah, it's feeding you, man. All right, 12:30. Candle opened red off that kind of doji top here. We'll see what happens. Still green 3,800 on this short. I'm going to go warm up the air fryer. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. What happened? We still dropping? Still dropping. Music must have ended. Here we go. Omaha, here we go. If it can get down below this 800, it's just going to go, boys and girls, moms and dads. No FOMO. $4,600 now on this short. What a big drop here. all the way down to support 1, maybe at 20,778. Where's your stop loss at? Where's your take profit, AIZ? So you can set up your bot. It will do the job long or short. Yeah. Yep. It takes both directions. It takes longs and shorts on this strategy. I wonder why my screen or my time and stuff gets cut off on the phone, but on the web it's not cut off. I don't know. Putting in the overtime today, boys and girls, just to try and show you guys how far down this thing will run and close out. But I do have to get off of here soon for a Zoom. But stick around. Come back tomorrow, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time. I will show you more live futures market trading using the algos. So come on back tomorrow and find out how this trade ended up. And 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time. All right, guys?